Today I'm servicing my Mercedes-Benz C-Class and I'm here at Mercedes-Benz of Draper. On the odometer, my car says service be exceeded by 25 days. This is a question I get asked a lot about service, how the whole process works, and how much does it cost to service your Mercedes-Benz. Most dealerships will run a multi-point inspection on your car, and what that means is that you don't really have to do service B unless you've gone for 30,000, 40,000 miles, something like that. For my car, you get complimentary service every 2 years. So last year I paid $279 and this year is actually free. A Mercedes-Benz like this one, you do service every 10,000 miles, which is about a year's worth of driving if you don't drive too much. So let's go inside and check in. These are the services you can get. There's service A and B. So let's talk about what's happening today with my car for service A, right?
Yes, so today we'll be doing the service A, so oil filter, air filter, we'll inspect the air filter, inspect the cabin filter, adjust tire pressures, top off fluids, and then do a complimentary multi-point inspection and a car wash.
Yeah, that's what I mentioned. And you can actually, if you come to Mercedes-Benz of Draper, you can get complimentary service. So 2 service A's for the price of 1. So every other year, it's a free service. I think that's a bargain in my view. So yes. You can see here we have 10,000 mile service and B, and should be about 1 hour.
Usually it's about hour and a half if we're a little behind.
Okay. So I'll let you know what we end up with. Let's go through the service options you get in your Mercedes-Benz. There is service A. So I'm here for service A, which is a 10,000 mile service. It costs $279, but you can actually get 2 for the price of 1, which means next year's service is complimentary. So this year I'm getting a free service, but that's the cost. And on the 10,000 mile service, we have synthetic motor oil and filter replacement, checking the fluid levels, windshield washer, headlamp cleaning systems, correcting tire pressure, inspection of the brakes and the linings and the discs, checking the interior, exterior lamps, hazard warnings, and checking the battery condition as well, performing chassis and underlying inspection, and inspecting door hinges and latches and so on. So that's the $279 option, 10,000 mile service. If you jump into service B, it costs $749, which includes a whole bunch of checks. This is the entire list. So everything from service A plus additional checks. Let's see what we have here. Inspection of the exhaust pipes, catalyst muffler, hangers, and steering wheel components. So you can see the drive shaft, flexible discs, door lock checks, lubrication of those. That's additional checks. What is not on service A again? We have windshield washer blades and so on. So that's the cost, $749. And there are more services you can get in your Mercedes-Benz. So right here we have additional services. So a brake fluid flush every 20,000 miles or every 2 years is $189. Engine cooling systems, $199. Load force tire balance, $99. Computerized 4-wheel alignment, $229. And then we have the transmission service every 70,000 or 80,000 miles. They have different categories. For my car, I have an SUV. It will be the 7 to 2.9, which is $529. And that's really the service options you get in your Mercedes-Benz. Always remember to ask your dealer for discounts or complimentary services, or sometimes they can they can bundle the services into one, which means you can get more discounts for combining 2 services for the price of 1. So every other year you get something complimentary. So today's service is going to cost me $0. I do know I have to replace my tires, so I'm going to probably get new tires from Costco. Costco have excellent deals for tires. Check out the video description. I'll leave some links over there. And that also includes the alignment, which I can get from Mercedes-Benz for about $229. So I'm going to get cheaper tires from Costco, probably about $600-700. And the dealership tires obviously are more expensive, and it's basically the same tire. So about $200, $250, or $300 more if you check from a tire dealer as opposed to your main dealership. And that's it, guys. Service on a Mercedes-Benz, how much it costs. Until next time, stay safe and thank you for watching. Peace.